Okay, this is the weekly analysis based on the Forex Loophole trading strategy. Okay, we are moving. We have all the pairs in front of us based on the Forex Loophole trading strategy. If you don't know the rules, please go to my video on my website and on my channel, and you will see the full course completely for free. It's very easy to learn. This is the USD JPY. We're waiting for a retracement to the again to the 50 EMA, a bounce off, a signs of a retracement, a good candle that will show us a retracement, and then we can chase at least this top. Moving on, as you can see, also very good trending market, 45 degrees. This is the first loophole. This is the second one. We are looking for the third one in the upcoming week. USD CAD, also, it's making very good trending mode, but it's bouncing off the 20 EMA. And as you know, I like to wait for the price to go to the 50 EMA and then go up, so we can catch much more pips and make bigger profits. So yes, we are not choosing every trade we can. We are choosing the best trades, which is can give us the best profits, and they have the most higher probability to go as we wish. So we are picking very carefully 5 to 6 trades a week. This is really good enough for you to make a living out of trading. As you can see, this is the NZD USD. We have a loophole over here. This is the first one. We're waiting for a retracement to the 50 EMA, between the 50 EMA, the 20 EMA, and then we will see some kind of a rejection, and then we can enter for a trade chasing this previous low at least. Too messy. We are not trading this. This is the first one, NZD CAD. This is the first loophole, second loophole. See what a beautiful between the 20 and the 50 EMA, retracement of the 20 EMA here and here. I'm not doing the 20 EMA, so I missed that one. But if you want, you can use it. It's a little more risky than the others. The GBP pairs also not so clear. No, this is not good enough for us. No, not yet. No, not yet. Nothing too clear over here. Moving on to the euro pairs, you can see we have a retracement of the 20 EMA first, twice, and then we have this crash. If we will see a retracement of the 20 EMA again, that will give us a good signal, we will enter. But I like to wait for the 50 EMA to get much more pips. Also, bounces of the 20 EMA we are avoiding for now. This is only for more advanced mode. For now, we are avoiding that mode. Here you can see the Euro JPY have a good retracement below the 50 EMA. If the price will go again below the 50 EMA, and we see a good rejection of the 50 EMA, we can chase this stop based on the Forex Loophole trading strategy. Euro GBP not so clear, Euro Chief not so clear, Euro CAD not so clear, Euro AUD, it was before a very good trade. As you can see, first loophole, second loophole was very, very good. Okay, over here, the Chief JPY, we can see a good retracement to the 50 EMA, bounces off a good rejection candle over here. We could have chosen this high, but now we are waiting for the second loophole. Something similar to here will happen over here. We will enter and will chase this high over here, at least. Also, this is something I very like. Look at this, just beautiful, going up, 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 retrace down below the 50 EMA. Very beautiful, very clear, 45 degrees trending mode. If the price will do something similar over here, okay, bounces off the 50 EMA, this is will trigger, this kind of will trigger our entry for the next time, or it can be something similar, a rejection candle of the 50 EMA will let us chase this side over here. Okay, so basically we are moving on, and we have about 3 to 4 to 5 good setups. You can see over here a good loophole example, first one and second one. It was very good. And on the AUD JPY, you can see a beautiful, beautiful example of the Forex Looper trading strategy working very well. Once, twice, three times, four times, fifth, sixth, and the seventh time it just crashed, so we couldn't take any trade. But we had six good trades before over here. Right now we are on some kind of a range mode, so we will look away. Okay, this is all the pairs we have for that week. Also, this is the first loop or second one. We will look for a retracement on the AUD CAD of the 50 EMA, and then we will enter. This is what we are doing once a week, a 10-minute job, okay? And afterwards, you only have to monitor the charts. That's it. Very simple, very clear. Everyone can do it. Any beginner can do it. You can see the full video on my YouTube channel, and you can also, if you want, join my broker from the link in the description. You can also get some bonuses of this link. You can also, it will also support